Hi, good day everyone. Today I'll be showing you a video tutorial for Zapier and how to create your Zapier. So what is a Zapier, by the way? Zapier is an easy automation tool that connects your favorite apps such as Gmail, Slack, MailChimp, and more. There are thousands of different workflows you can create. When you create a new Zapier account, you're instantly enrolled in a free 14-day trial of Zapier. This trial allows you to try out Zapier features, and when your trial expires and you haven't upgraded to a paid plan, you'll be automatically downgraded to a free plan, which you can continue to create Zaps. So let's start creating our Zapier. The first thing you'll need to do is to go to the zapier.com and sign up for a free account. So we click the sign up for a free account and get started button. So now we type in our name, our email address, and a password. Or you can also simply use your Gmail account, Facebook account to create logins to Zapier. In my end, I will choose to sign in using my Gmail account. So let's continue with this Gmail. So now, once you're done creating your account, you will now be routed to your dashboard. Alright, so let's continue. Let's choose this Gmail account. Alright, so once you're done creating your account, you will now be routed to your dashboard. Here you can quickly build a Zap and see some free popular workflow Zap templates. You can also create your own workflow depending on your choice. Now, to create your first Zap, we will click the Make a Zap button on the upper left-hand corner. So let's click Make a Zap. So now the next page will ask you to choose the app and event you want to automate. As you can see, there are already built-in apps in Zapier that you can directly choose, or some popular apps you want to automate. Let's say I want my Pinterest to be automated by Zapier. So we can simply search on the Pinterest. Now let's click Pinterest. Now, so here, I will choose the trigger event. So let's click here. So now there are three choices. You can use new board, new pin, and new follower. But in my end, I will choose new pin for my Pinterest. So Zapier will monitor my Pinterest, and my Pinterest will trigger a Zap when a new pin is added. So let's click continue. So next, we will need to connect my Pinterest account to Zapier. So we click on here. Since my Gmail account is already signed into the Pinterest, we're done in giving permission to Zapier. We will now select continue. So then we can search my Pinterest here, Pinterest account. Now let's click continue. Now we can pull a sample by simply selecting test trigger. Right, let me just check this out. Right, it's connected. So let's click continue. So let's choose a value for the board. Since my board name is My Works in Virtualasting, so let's choose this. Let's click continue. Then we can pull a sample by selecting Test Trigger. Test Trigger, right? Here we can see the data that Pinterest is sending to Zapier. Now we can click continue and add our second steps. Let's click continue. So here we can choose our action service. So let's say we want to get notified on our Google Drive. So let's click this Google Drive icon. And now let's say I want a Zapier to automatically create folder. This will be my choose action event. Create folder. So I will choose create folder. Create a new empty folder once a new Pinterest pin is made. So after that, I hit continue. Alright. Now, after that, I'll sign in to Google Drive to give permission to Zapier to access my Google Drive. But since it's already connected with my Google Drive here in the Pinterest, we just choose this Gmail account Google Drive. So let's click continue. So now let's start customizing our folder. We need to select the drive to use. So let's choose my Google Drive. Now we create parent folder. So let's choose Pinterest folder. I have already created a folder from my Google Drive for my Pinterest. So let's click on Pinterest folder. Now we can type or insert our folder name. So let's select new pin in Pinterest. And now, so we can now type or insert our data in our folder name. You can choose the folder, you can choose the board name for my works in Virtualasting. So let's choose this one, right? So let's close. Then we can now select continue. And then we click on test and review to check if it's working. A test folder was sent to Google Drive just now. So let's check our Google Drive, okay? So this is my Pinterest folder. So let's click on that if we see the trigger that we used to. Alright, great, there you have it. I can see that they have created a new folder for my Pinterest board name, which is My Works in Virtualasting. So after that, let's go back to Zapier.com. After that, we click Done Editing. Then make sure to turn Zap on. So let's click that button. Turn Zap on. Let's go to my Zaps. So now, there you have it. You can see from your dashboard your Zap workflow. So here, you can also edit it. Let's go back. You can create your, you can also create or edit your Zap. So let's say Pinterest and Gmail, Drive, Zap. Alright, so let's go back here. So you can see from your dashboard, your Zap workflow, the name of your Zap workflow is Pinterest to Google Drive. So Zapier will start collecting your new posted Pinterest pin and send it to your Google Drive. Alright, so that's pretty much it. These are the basic steps in creating your Zap workflow in Zapier. So I hope you find this useful, guys. Thank you for watching my video tutorial. Bye!